What's up, YouTube? Well, random here checking in, baby. Y'all know what time it is. So today we about to go run back down to 95 IMPALA and see what's popping with that Joker. I'm gonna try to get the fuel lines wrapped up. Going with the Corvette fuel regulator, running one up front, and try to keep the return and the feed in the back along with the vent. So we're gonna try to knock that out, but we're not gonna put a tank up because I want to test that fuel pump to make sure that's working before I have to pull that back down or do anything. But I'm gonna try to get that situated, plug in this alternator bracket, see what that looking like, the clearance or anything, make sure we don't need to change the pulley. If we do, you know, that's another setback. But you need a lot of things like a battery, you need to get the water pump, whatever you're gonna do with his AC or whatever. I'm not really concerned about that right now, but I know I gotta put the transmission mount on, try to get that done. We gotta go get a universal joint for a drive shaft. A lot of knick-knack stuff that need to be taken care of, you know, before other things can happen. So, yeah, man, y'all tune in. Be sure to comment, like, share, subscribe. Y'all be safe out here. And I'm gonna holler at you when we get there, baby. All right, gang. So I'm about to try to throw this here alternator bracket on. That $30 bracket off of eBay. That's a stock pulley. I'm gonna try to put it on and see if we're gonna clear that gearbox. We should, hopefully we do. Alright, gang, I had to clean it up before we pull this intake off and swap it with the LS6 intake. I'm gonna also change them injectors while we at it. Okay, gotta connect these shit ground to the back of the head. Plug off some lines, so it was a good thing I took it off. Let me pull them off right quick. Alright, this actually, it's an LS6 intake too. And y'all see the new gaskets. So, I'm just gonna put them back on there. Y'all see how clean that mold is. Alright, gang, so y'all see I didn't have my, this here oil pressure sensor connected. I do see he got a little got a little dust in them, so blow him out, make sure he's nice and clean. Oh, see, bam, all pressure sensor. Now I'm gonna loosen this bolt right here, and I'm gonna put my 2 ground wires on. Pull this here plug back. Y'all see how it's labeled? Driver, passenger, transmission, speed. So we're gonna take the driver. First of all this stuff going over there, so we just gonna route him. Alright. Y'all see it got the transmission plug back there. The real O2 sensor. And set our intake back on. Way to tell, the LS1 don't have this reel in the middle. It's just flat. So both of these are LS6 intakes. We'll get it back on, put y'all in a minute. Alright, gang. We'll see what we got going on here. About to put some 36 pound injectors up in there. Shout out to Willie Rebuild hooking out full random. We yank these out, put them on that new rail, and lock them down, plug it all in. We'll tune in a minute. Alright, gang. So, y'all see we got the bracket on now. I'm gonna try to get that line up in there. Plug a few of the harnesses up. Just empty this gas tank. 5-gallon bucket full of gas. So what I'm about to do now, jack this other front side up. Y'all see the fuel pump. We gonna need a fuel pump. Y'all see, so I'm gonna get it jacked up and run the transmission lines. I mean fuel lines. And we're gonna cut you back on in a minute. That work that machine, baby. Pull that tank back some, Paul. Trying to clean up under that bitch some. Dump the rest out of there. Trying to get that old gas out of there. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. How he is up there. Try to kind of work it. Put your hand close to that hole and try to, yeah, like bend it straight out. It might be caught on that lip or something. Somewhere it caught right there. Look, man, that damn gas waste on that nigga burning the shit out of me. So y'all see I'm gonna run that. Got one going to the front, fuel filter, 2 going to the back. But shit, I gotta go rinse off or something. Fuck. That shit eating my waist up, gang. Try to get that here transmission mount up in there too. Finna running these fuel lines. Talking over YouTube. see it.
So you want me to send this back down there?
Oh, I'm fucking burning. I gotta wash my fucking waist off. Shit.
I fucking these donuts. I need to try to hack your shit.
Nah, just fake supporter. You don't see the original fuel filter. I'm gonna use this here bracket for the new one. Go right there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this one here up in its place. That one now. Actually, yeah, I put them right there. I'm gonna have to cut one of them lines back a little bit, cause he long enough to run them all the way. Might try to do that, put them on the other side. We'll see, y'all stay tuned then. Alright, gang. See if it's in a warranty. So y'all see, we're about to put the cross member mount up. I ain't got the bolts for it, so we're gonna come back on that. I got the fuel line ran, fuel filter ran. Gotta get one more line for him. So she coming along though. We getting it. Plugged in my transmission lines, electrical wires, OBD2, O2 sensor. Coming along. Y'all see it, stock cross member fabricated. I'm about to call it a day, gang. Y'all see what's going on, dude. I just gotta run that's the feed. Gotta run the return. Plug it in to the filter. Let y'all see what's going on. A couple more days, we ought to be straight. Comment, like, share, subscribe.